What if I told you these cinnamon rolls will ruin every other dessert for you? They're that soft, that buttery, that irresistibly good. One bite and you're hooked, with layers of warm cinnamon sugar wrapped in the fluffiest dough and topped with the dreamiest, creamy frosting. And the best part? You don't need to be a pro. These are foolproof, beginner-friendly, and honestly, better than the bakery. So let's get started, and I'll show you all my tips and secrets along the way. In a large bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix. In a separate bowl, combine 3/4 cup of lukewarm milk and 1 egg. Mix it well, then add 1.5 teaspoons of yeast and stir again. Now gradually add the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir using a spatula. Once it comes together, pour in half a cup of melted butter and mix thoroughly until fully combined. Time to knead. You can use your hands or, like me, pop it into a stand mixer and knead for 8 to 10 minutes. This step is crucial. It activates the gluten and gives your dough that perfect stretch and softness. Once kneaded, your dough should be elastic and smooth like this. Cover it and let it rest for 5 minutes. Let's make that aromatic cinnamon sugar filling. In a small bowl, mix together half a cup of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. That's it, pure magic with just 2 ingredients. Now lightly dust your kitchen surface with flour. Shape your dough into a ball. Then roll it out into a large rectangle. Try to keep it even on all sides, not too thick, not too thin. Next, brush a 1/4 cup of melted butter all over the dough. Be generous, every corner should be covered. Then sprinkle your cinnamon sugar mixture evenly on top, covering the entire surface. Now roll the dough into a log gently and evenly, like a burrito. Take your time and handle it softly. Once rolled, mark 2-centimeter sections using a knife. Then grab a piece of thread or dental floss and gently slice each roll to reveal those beautiful spirals. It's the little things that make a big difference. Grease a baking dish with butter and place each cinnamon roll inside, spiral side up. Arrange them nicely, then cover with cling film and set aside in a warm place to rise for about an hour. In summer, they usually double in size in even less time. Once your rolls have puffed up beautifully, bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, that's 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 20 to 25 minutes, or until golden brown and heavenly. While your rolls bake, let's whip up that creamy, dreamy frosting. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of butter and 3/4 cup of dairy or heavy cream. Gradually add 1 cup of powdered sugar, little by little, and adjust the sweetness to your liking. I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and whipped it for about 5 to 8 minutes until it turned fluffy and silky smooth. Look at that texture. This frosting is the cherry on top. Take your cinnamon rolls out of the oven when they're golden and perfectly baked. While they're still warm, drizzle that luscious frosting all over the top. Let it melt into every swirl, every corner. And that's it, soft, gooey, cinnamon-loaded rolls that are honestly dangerously delicious. My kids couldn't even wait for them to cool. If you loved this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I absolutely love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more comforting, feel-good recipes made with love. Take care and happy baking!